Here's what I would do if I was broke and had to start all over again to make my first $100,000 online again. This is exactly what I would do. Save this video so you can reference it back when you need it. First thing you're gonna do is pick one of these topics. Health, wealth, and relationships are the most profitable ones. Next, you're gonna head over to Google. You're gonna type in the niche that you chose plus affiliate program. You're gonna choose a company that you want to become an affiliate for. Choose a great product and make sure whatever you're promoting has about 40% or more per sale. You're gonna click here to sign up for their affiliate program, and once you're approved, you're gonna get your affiliate link. You're gonna build a simple 2 web pages funnel that looks just like this, and then you're gonna create an automated email sequence just like this. And these emails will go out every other day automatically. And don't get overwhelmed. You can start with 5 to 10 emails. And you're gonna create a brand new social media account around your niche. And you wanna mix it up. You're gonna wanna post educational, entertaining, and informative content to your account to drive traffic to your link. The link that's gonna be at the top of your page is the link to your sales funnel, which has your affiliate link. And then you're just gonna rinse and repeat for any product or any niche that you wish to do. This is the exact same method that I used to make my first $100,000 online. Now, if you're still confused or overwhelmed, you should be, by the way, or if you have no idea how to build a sales funnel or an email sequence, comment down below and I will send you my free 7-step guide to help you get started and the exact same training that taught me these high income skills.